Shout. Hello, hello, shout out. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you so much for tuning in. This time, kakanta po tayong love songs. Oldies but goodies. Okay. Samahan niyo po ako, ha? Thank you so much for coming. Let It Be Me by Everly Brothers. Angel at Labason version. Thank you so much for coming. I bless the day I found you. I want to stay around you, and so I beg you, let it be me. Don't take this heaven from one. If you must cling to someone, now I'm forever. Let it be me. It's time we met, love. I find complete love without your sweet love. What would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me. It's time we met, love. I find complete love without your sweet love. What would life be? So never leave me lonely. Tell me you love me only, and that you'll always let it be me. Thank you so much for coming. Salamat po sa pag-join. Okay, our second song would be All of a Sudden by Matt Monroe. Enjoy lang po tayo para po sa inyo. Move along, love was ours, but our eyes didn't show it. Suddenly, we can see where we're wrong. All of a sudden, this was yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. Now every moment there are souls to see. All of a sudden everything. Shout out, let's talk of the times we've been lonely. But let us speak of the times we will know. From today, I will live for you only. As I've said, all these things only go. All of a sudden, this was yours and mine. All of a sudden, water tastes like wine. of every moment there are songs to sing. All of a sudden everything la 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 third song would be Once There Was a Love. Shout out dyan sa may mga Maria G, shout out. Favorito mo to, alam ko. Pero, okay. Harap ko sa inyo. Thank you so much for tuning in, sa inyong suporta. Maraming salamat po. Once there was a love deeper than any ocean. Once there was a love filled with such devotion. It was yours and mine to hold and cherish and to keep for a lifetime. Then you went away on that lonely day. Once there was a love, now I don't know how I could go on. Somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I'm gonna run. Once there was a love that will never come again. So let's not pretend once there was a love, but that was long ago. Now I don't know how I can go on. Somehow I feel so all alone, wondering where I've gone wrong. Once there was a love that will never come again. So let's not pretend once there was a love, but that was long ago. Diba? That was long ago. Shout out po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much. So, our last song would be Love Story. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sa lagi po niyong suporta sa akin. Shout out po sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you. Love you all. Salamat po sa laging pagsuporta sa akin mga cover song. Thank you so much for staying. For tuning in. Where do I begin to tell the story? How our love can be, the sweet love story that is older than the sea. A simple truth is to me. Where do I start? never be another one, another time meant to alive the living kind. He feels my heart. He feels my heart with very special thing, with angel songs, with wild imaginings. He fills my soul with so much love that anywhere I go, I'm never lonely with him. Who could be lonely? I reach for his hand. It's always there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours and a day? I have no answer now, but this much I can say. I'll meet him till the smoke all burn away, and he'll be there. How long does it last? Can love be measured by the hours and a day? Nabali ang dagon? I have no answers now, but this much grabe emotion kasi. I know I'll need him till the stars all burn away, and he'll be there. Thank you so much. Pasensya. Grabe sa feel na feel kasi. Wala tuloy. Thank you. Love you all.